All right, it has been another busy night of weather here in the Mid-South. Let's get right to it with the latest. We do still have a tornado watch that's in effect for a good chunk of the Mid-South, technically until 1 a.m., but I do expect that to be canceled early. Those storms are moving out. I do think by 11 p.m., certainly by 11:30, we're going to be in much better shape, and I think any potential of severe weather will start to fizzle away in the next hour. In fact, for many of us, the threat of severe weather is already done. If you're watching from Arkansas tonight, you're done with the severe thunderstorms. Most of western Tennessee is clear, with the exception of McNairy County. They're still seeing some storms. And most of North Mississippi mostly clear, but we've got a couple of storms out there as well. Seeing a good little downpour out near Lewisburg on 269 right now, also along 72 coming into northern Benton County. Of course, the storm we've been watching is this storm out in northeastern Mississippi, southwestern Tennessee as well. We're seeing a pretty good downpour right now near Selmer, Bethel Springs, Adamsville areas. And then we do still technically have a severe thunderstorm warning for Corinth with this storm that's over Faulkner. It's producing winds of 50 to 60 miles an hour. Here's the storm track on that. Corinth by 1026, Guys at 1032, Burnsville, Mississippi. That is going to be near 1103. So this storm still packing a punch. And it's not out of the question that we get another quick spin-up tornado. We've had a couple of those already tonight. Again, that's not a big concern. Most of us are just going to see the wind and the rain. But if you're in Corinth, it's something I want you to watch out for. In general, by 11 p.m., most of us are going to be done with the rain. Certainly by midnight, the rest of the night is looking dry. So that rain is going to move out pretty quickly. Here's the hour-by-hour radar. Right now, it's picking up on those storms out near Corinth, but watch how quickly that moves out by 11 p.m. And then again, certainly by midnight, those storms are going to be into Alabama and out of our hair. Now, going into tomorrow, we are going to have a low-pressure system kind of hang out nearby. That could bring in a couple of sprinkles tomorrow afternoon, and really throughout next week. There's a potential of a couple of sprinkles in some areas, but many of us will be totally dry tomorrow. That's good news for those Juneteenth celebrations. 86 your high temperature, mix of sun and clouds. Again, maybe a sprinkle. Most of us will not see any rain. Next week, rain chances staying pretty low, just a 30% chance of a quick pop-up shower, especially Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Again, best chance of rain next week going to be east of Memphis, Corinth, Selmer, Covington, Brownsville areas. Most of us here in Memphis and to the west in Arkansas, we're not going to see much rain at all for the next week, which is good. We need a break. 86 tomorrow. Again, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, a slight chance of a pop-up storm. Friday, not bad. And our weekend so far looking pretty good. Sunshine on Saturday. It is going to be hotter. Highs back to near 90 with just a slight chance of a shower Saturday or Sunday.